In this video, I'll show you how to move an object or a person in a photo using Canva Pro. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm inside Canva and this is the Pro version, and I'll go to Pixels to more or less get a stock photo that we can use the talents or objects in a particular photo. I'm going to look for people and let's say what do we want? Let's say we go with something like this. And when you hover over this, you can see the edit option in Canva because Canva purchased Pixels, and you can also download and upload, but I find this to be easier if you're actually starting from a blank design. So I'll click on edit. It's going to open in Canva, and what we want to do is kind of move things around. So the image is going to be right here, and I'll just click on the photo right here and the edit button right there. And once I do that, I'm going to come to Magic Studio and then select Magic Grab. And what Magic Grab is going to do is actually going to analyze this particular photo and do a ton of things to the photo, more or less like separate the different elements or people as they are. So here we are. And like here, you can select this one and actually grab it. So it's grab a cup of tea right there. And from here, you can do a couple of things. You can actually resize it, make it a little bit bigger, which is absurd to be honest. Control Z. You can actually delete it if you want, but it's slightly right there. You can also click the photo, go back to Magic Grab as well, and let's say this one person or even this particular flower pot right here, we can actually select it right here and grab. So you can grab a cup of coffee when this is being done, and this particular photo you can now enlarge it a little bit, maybe the way you want it to be. Maybe you want it to be a little bit bigger right there, so that you can make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, so that's a little bit bigger than what we had, but still looks like it's a legit photo right there. You can also move it to a different position like this, flip it horizontally like that. You can even try to make it to be a little bit bigger than the person. Position backward. Let's bring it forward to back. So let's see, forward. Okay, let's bring it forward. And if we bring it forward, I think it should not be in the person's way. So let's just make it a little bit smaller right there. So we've got the photo right there. You can move it using the arrow keys, and it kind of looks legit, more or less in that particular position. But that is how you can move objects or people in a photo. And as I mentioned, people, let's say we click on edit again, and then we go to Magic Grab. So let's say we go with this particular person, click on grab. And what we want to do is kind of make the person a little bit bigger. Make him a little bit bigger right there, but don't overdo it. Say we go with this particular size so that his feet kind of seem like they're still that position, and the two gentlemen are kind of tall and also to be almost on the same level right there. So it's a really good feature that you can use to kind of manipulate photos with people and objects easily. That's it for this video, and that is how you can move objects or people in a photo using Canva Pro. Thanks for watching.